Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today we are going to be going through the Sadie Stickers mystery subscription for February, and this is a perfect spring kit. So I'm really glad that her mystery kits are usually like a month ahead theme-wise. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got here. This is one of the two vellums. So these come with the decorative subscription, not with the weekly. So if you're subscribed to Decorative, you would get these vellums. This one is a really pretty floral pattern with some leaves. I feel like the florals almost look like lilacs, but they're white. I guess maybe there's white lilacs. I'm always so familiar with like the lilac color lilacs. But anyway, it kind of looks like it might be like a lilac pattern, really pretty. And then the second one is this really pretty like neutral gingham. I'm trying to figure out if this is supposed to be on here or if this green like rubbed off in the mail, like, you know, when it was in the package, because it almost looks like the green rubbed off here. I kind of think it did, because it looks like the pattern of this a little bit. So I'm not sure what happened there, but it's fine because usually I like rip and tear these into smaller pieces, so no big deal. But those are the two vellums that came with the decorative kit. Actually, let's look at the decorative kit first this month. Why not? We usually do the weekly first, but let's look at decorative first since we're on that with the vellums. And you know what? Let's put them underneath because they're a nice little backdrop. Here we go. Okay, we will need, I'm going to take this one out because we will need a backing here. So I do get the decorative on washi paper. If this happens to be your first video that you're watching, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I get my decorative on washi because I love washi paper and I love using it in my journals. So that's what I will usually get this one in. But you can choose to get it in premium if premium is more your vibe and what you want for your planner. So different options, washi or premium. Mine's in washi, so we're going to use this white sticker paper so that you can see it since the washi paper is on that clear backing. So this is page 1. These are the flowers. So you've got a bunch of different individual florals. I just love this yellow. Oh, it is so pretty. That mustardy yellow with the sagey green is just perfection in my opinion. This one is our bouquets page, and it does have the sprinkle foil. This collection is in her champagne gold. There's our bouquets. And then we start to get into our elements. So we can see some of the deco that we're going to see in like the full boxes in the weekly kit. But here is all of the gorgeous, oh my gosh, look at the bunnies. Those are so cute. Oh, I love this deco. The rocking chair with the little frilly pillows. These girls, they just look so beautiful. See, it does look like she's got like lilacs in her hair, right? Her too. I think it might be like white lilacs. I think that might be what it is. Okay, which is interesting because they're like not really in any of these florals, but they're in those. I'm liking that. Okay, these are the edges. We've got some foiled butterflies, foiled stamps. Super pretty. I'm sorry for the noise. I'm not sure what is going on outside, but it's a beautiful day here, and so like everybody's outside, and that's a really loud car. I'm sorry. You can hear that in the background. Okay, here is our layered page. Oh, that's so fun with the butterfly over the butterfly. Love that. This little mini collage, like, can we just take a minute to appreciate all of the beauty in that tiny little section? So good. Look at the little doggy. He looks so happy. Oh, and the clothes on the line. And then her little hand looks like she's got like some strawberries or something. Oh, I love that little pin. Oh my gosh. That like reminds me of growing up because my mom, she sewed a lot when we were growing up and she would always have those pins. And she had this little pin cushion that looked like a tomato. Let me know if your mom also had a pin cushion that looked like a tomato with all the pins in it. I feel like that was like a thing back then. Okay, these are the paper strips. We've got, I'm turning it this way because you can see it easier on the screen, but we've got different elements with the florals. We've got kind of like the newspaper print, but also has like a floral in it. Really cool. I just love this color combination. It's like different kinds of greens with kind of like a neutral peachy color. Super pretty. All right, and then we have our days and dates. And then our borders, which are kind of like the edges, but bigger. Oh, look at all that shine with the foil. So good. And then our scenes. These are the large scenes. Got that clothesline again. And this beautiful field. Oh my gosh, look at that. I just love that field. It's so gorgeous. Okay. And then our box swatches. So we've got the longer ones here, and then we have some that mimic the full boxes. Are they the same? This one's the same. This one's the same. This one's the same. And this one's the same. Yep. So they are, 4 of the boxes in here are the same as the full boxes, just slightly smaller in size. And then we have our swashes. That really pretty floral. And then it's got like that newspaper print behind it. So pretty. And then lastly, we have the foil add-on. So this has the 2 washi strips. You've got some dividers, and then you have a bunch of deco, floral, and some butterflies that match the collection. So that's the decorative kit. It's like totally throwing me off to go backwards here. I guess I should do this more often so that it's not so awkward, right? Because I went completely opposite direction of what I normally am. Okay, so here is the weekly collection. So this is page 1 with our full boxes. And our quote box says, "Spring is here and I am anew." Oh, tell me this isn't like the perfect March kit. If you think this kit should be used anywhere other than March, tell me, because I feel like the greens in here are so pretty. It's like a subtle nod to March and like all of the new life that comes forth, right, in springtime. And then here is our full boxes. Shows you all the like main colors of the collection. A little sprinkle of foil on some of the boxes. Page 3 is our layering page. Oh, we have the little bunnies. They're my favorite. I absolutely adore them. And that cup of tea. Also really good. And a little stove. Oh, I just love this. It's just such a, it's almost like cottage core kind of feeling. I don't know. I just really love it. These colors. Oh, this is like all of March for me, is like this color scheme. All right, here's our bottom washi. We've got our lace washi as well, the dividers, your date covers, and then 2 sets of headers. And then here is our deco. So we've got some large floral bouquets. We've got some different girls than we have in the decorative kit, which is really fun, that they're slightly different. That stove again, obsessed. All right, and then in our journaling page here, we have all the different little paper elements, the postcards, some stamps and frames, torn papers. Really pretty. And then you do get some days of the week on here as well. And then look at these floral bouquets. Again, these greens are just so good. There's so many different greens I feel like in here, and it's just really pretty. You get both of your floral washi strips and then a bunch of different bouquets and different sizes. And then we have our alcohol ink. This is on washi paper. Let me flip this over so you can see the colors better. There you go. And you get a variety of sizes on here as well. And then there's all those gorgeous greens with that kind of like neutral beigey, peachy color and like that mustardy yellow. And then we get the same foiled add-on, so that way you don't have to, if you're getting both, you don't have to like split this between 2. You get one with each collection. So I'm forever grateful to her for doing that. All right, that is the weekly and the decorative for our February. I almost said March because I feel like this kit feels so March, but typically her themes, I know this question has come up before and I've said this before, but in case you haven't heard it, typically when you see like that month, like February shipped at the end of February. I just got this yesterday. Today is February 28th and I just got it on the 27th. I think they start shipping on the 25th, so I got mine super fast, but I'm in North Carolina and she's in Georgia, so not surprising. But typically your month is going to kind of like be for the next month because you're getting it at the end of February. So this would be a perfect March kit. So some people get confused and thinking like, oh, February should be like a February theme and you should get it sooner. But the way that she names the collection is the month that it ships in, not necessarily the month that it is to be used in. So hopefully that clears up confusion, but I am super thankful she does that. I don't really care what month it says on the top. I just know that if it says one month, it's probably meant for the next month. So it doesn't matter to me, but I know it can be kind of confusing because every shop does it slightly different. So that is our February collection, and I would love to know what you guys think and if you're subscribed. So drop me a comment, hang out with me there, and I will look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. But first, if you haven't already and you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and turn notifications on so you can be notified when my new videos drop. But thank you all so much for being here and hanging out with me. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.